And radio, they tracking the car to South Gordon and hold on, stand by. Check the area, South Gordon and Westmeath. The area that copy that location? It's right there. I'm gonna go look. Yeah. I want to go ahead. You're up, look around Oglethorpe and Evans Street. Evans.
I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
People know it. You had information of GSP ready.
Go.
You cut off on Peoples.
Give me the air. Peoples northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him.
This situation escalates instantly. What starts as routine tracking turns into a full-blown pursuit within seconds. Listen to the coordination, multiple units, rapid directions, and constant communication. This is high-pressure policing in real time. But here's the key question. Every chase comes with risk. One wrong move could endanger innocent lives. So if you were behind that wheel, would you push harder to catch the suspect or slow it down to reduce the danger?
33. Go to location.
Left on Lucille and Peoples.
Okay, Lucille and Peoples.
Clay and I tried to stop him at a stoplight at low speeds. He's still got the child in the back seat.
Clear the child still in the vehicle.
Stop sign, clear left, clear right.
Okay, 20.
We're still on Lucille. Stand by, I'll get you across in a second.
Now everything changes. There's a child in the back seat. This is where the situation becomes extremely sensitive. Officers now have to balance two priorities: stopping a fleeing suspect and protecting an innocent life. You heard the attempt to slow things down at the stoplight? That's a controlled tactic. But the suspect keeps going. At this point, every decision is critical. Do you continue the pursuit and risk escalation, or back off and risk losing him? What would you do in this moment?
Hands. Show me your fucking hands. Get the fuck out the car. Get the fuck, open the fucking door. Open the fucking door.
So you're trying to kill us. You're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get out.
Please don't, don't beat me up, man. Listen, I'm getting on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. Please. He don't please stop. He don't please.
Put your hands down.
Please, he don't please stop. Please.
91, you got suspect in custody.
Here's the breaking point. The pit maneuver. This is a tactical move designed to end the chase, but it's always controversial, especially with a child involved. The suspect immediately shifts tone, claiming fear and excessive force. This is a common pattern. Once the chase ends, the narrative flips. From a legal standpoint, this moment is crucial. The use of force will be reviewed. Was it justified given the danger, or excessive under the circumstances? Be honest. Do you think that move was necessary?
Everyone thanks for you have GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. Over here.
He hit us. That's messed up.
41, 44 radio. 21.
She worked at the. She worked. She. Come here. I can show you where she's at. I can show you. My phone is in the car. My phone is in the car. Please. Yes.
Okay?
Please. No.
You did a good job. You did a good job, man.
No.
You did a good job, man. You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. You
Okay.
alright? You okay? You okay,
My
man?
mom called you.
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did. You okay?
Excuse me. Excuse me. I want to go now.
Yeah.
What's this location? What's this location?
I'm still alive. 512.
Atlanta, we're out at 512 Lucille, 512 Lucille, 3252, just to check on this child. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Yeah. Yeah, man. God, it scared the shit out of me when they hit that tree. Hey, 13 Atlanta. So we had a lot of volume out here. Were you clear on that location?
512 Lucille, absolutely not validated, but 512 Lucille, we look at you. We got you back on the way.
All right. Langhorne and Oak is a good cross street. We're right here at Langhorne and Oak. Also, I'm going to need a NCO to come work up there, please.
Hey, 4. We got you on route to him to work that city. 132.
We got mom.
Everyone thanks for your GSP. Appreciate you coming over also.
Now the scene settles, and the priority shifts to safety and control. The child is safe, officers regroup, and the chaos turns into an investigation. You can hear the emotion, shock, adrenaline, and relief all hitting at once. From a legal perspective, everything now gets documented. The pursuit, the crash, and the use of force. The suspect's decision to flee, especially with a child inside, will carry serious consequences. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.